Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am going to be decorating in my social media planner, which I do in my dashboard layout for the week of November 15th through the 21st. I am so excited because I am doing a more like a, Thanksgiving spread using this teacher sticker book, the seasonal type. Some of it has, teacher sayings and quotes and stuff like that, but it really doesn't bother me. If it says teacher, I don't really care. I like the way that it looks. So I have these two washies. So I'm excited. I'm also going to redate. I like to redate in my dashboard planner because the numbers fit like really perfectly. So I'm excited. So let me go ahead and start. Also, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I upload one or more videos every single day. So you definitely want to get subscribed because I post all sorts of content all about all my different happy planners, haul videos and plan with me's and tips and tricks, all the things. Okay, and that is with Mini Planner Basics. I really need to get another one of these because, I use a lot. I love Planner Basics. It was one of the original books long time ago, and it's one of my most used sticker books. I love the mini. I love the classic. They're both so helpful to have. Okay. I might keep this quote down here at the bottom for now. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna put this on Monday all the way to the edge. Okay. And let me focus on this side so I can make sure that is handled. This purple definitely is not going to match, so I need like a big box to cover it. This might actually work. So this is a memory keeping book, but it's obviously sized for big because all of their memory keeping stuff, all of the memory keeping like planners are actually big. So I could use these, and they have a lot of brown in here, which would be good. So I just might. Let me see what color I want to do though. I think this brown is good. I don't know if it's going to fit the whole thing. So let me see. Yeah. Okay. I'll cover up this side. Nope, still need more. Using a lot of whiteout. Okay, there we go. That way, so that you could put a picture inside or keep it like that. I don't know. Okay, I feel like that looks really weird with all that washi, but I'm going to layer it with this. That'll cover up some of it. This brown that I like a lot more. So let me use that. And that'll go good with the plaid. Okay. And then I'm thinking put some down here. And this is talking about a classroom, but I don't know. It just doesn't bother me that it's teacher related. So I'll put down this first. Right up against it, and then a little bit of plaid. And then it kind of balances out the page. So, I don't know, kind of like that. Okay. Now let's see what else I want to do. Pumpkin is like freaking adorable. Put it, where do I want to put it? I'm going to do the smaller one over here. And then have one over here. Maybe I'll put this on Friday-ish area. Okay, that's good. And I'll use this probably when I get closer to being finished. Okay. Have a thankful heart, fall vibes. I want to layer this with a circle. Let's do green. Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna use one of these. Get your hustle on. That's like so cute. You can put that. I don't really know if there's room. I could layer, let me pick up this number. There we go. That works. Oh, so cute. And you can use these boxes on the important days. You can do Saturday and probably Wednesday. Okay, let's do, this is my area for goals. And then this is a to-do section, and then IG posts. Just kind of like put them together. And I think black and white has a lot of gold. So I'll find, let's see. I like this box. Any chance I can get to layer, that's what I want to do. So put this really close to the bottom and then layer this onto it. Ugh, I don't know why. I love layering so much. It's like so interesting. It adds just a good interest to the page. All right, let's get it done on Tuesday. Let's see, let's find some quotes. I don't really want to add any black to the page. This is more of like a gold and brown kind of thing. There was some gold. Could try amazing. Yeah, that works. It goes with those block letters too. Okay, then what are these back here? Happy birthday. Okay, and then I can put some of this. This is what really like jazzes up the page. Mushroom, let's see, maybe there, or I'll put one right there. That's good. these leaves. Okay. I feel like I want to cover this up because it's purple. Let's see. There was a long white strip. Ooh, there it is. Perfect. Well, would you just look at that? Perfect. So then the only purple is just the days of the week right there. So write it here. All right. Nothing too crazy. I like it. I like it a lot. I definitely like it more than my spread from last week in my social media. But I'm still not like, I'm not obsessed with it. It feels a little bit random with this thing up here, but I think it goes well together. I tend to be kind of critical of myself. Okay, good. So now I need 2 bullet points per day. All right. Okay. Let's see. I love the big numbers. I think that's so fun. All right, I'm all done. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.